Hey guys, good morning. So I'm prepping. We're gonna go to Camp Avenue today. I'm meeting place with my friends at San Fernando City Plaza. So, see ya. Hey guys, so my friends are from Baguio, so I'm gonna meet them at San Fernando City Plaza La Union. From there, we're gonna ride a tricycle going to Manamall, and from Manamall, we're gonna grab a taxi going to Camp Avenue San Juan La Union, but dropping by for some groceries. And so we're here. By the way, guys, their checking time is at 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 noon the next day. And our new, new friend, Hazel, say hi to the vlog. Ayun guys, okay naman so far dito sa Camp Avenue. It's not my first time though. Tapos yung ano ko talaga, no trespass. Private pa. Tama ba? Ayan. Hi guys, good morning. So, yeah, we're here at San Juan, La Union. So, nag-check-in kami sa Camp Avenue with the girls. Hey girls! Hello! Oh my God, nakakaitim naman. Tumabi sa'yo sis, ano na, tapos kumuha kami ng 1 kubo. Magkano yung kubo natin ba? 1,800. That's 1,800. The inclusion, breakfast. Yun lang bro. They have toiletries din naman. They provide towels. Ayan. Then sa loob, may charger, may charging area, may electric fan. But they do have aircons. I'm gonna put the rates na lang here. Though we want the aircon one, but naubusan kami. So, nag-last minute booking lang kasi kami. So yun. Nung nagpabook ka, nag-down payment ka?
Yes.
Through GCash? Oh, through GCash yung down payment. Yeah, just for you to secure a slot. Just to be sure na lang. Doon sa kanilang Facebook page, which I'm gonna put it in the description box. Alright. So when you go here guys, walang masyadong activities aside from surfing kasi beachfront naman siya. So may mga surfing instructors. Though the beach, mabato siya. So kailangan mo maghanap ng hindi naman yung sa mabato na mabato, pero yung pampang area niya mabato. Iba talaga. So you have to go far para makapag-surf ka talaga. At saka new land, ang tawag na dito, hindi masakit sa paa. Well, siguro sanay na yung iba. Kasi nga yung paa nila, paa na ng kalabaw, charot. So yun, surfing over there. Can you guys see it? Also have, I don't know kung yung karaoke kagabi, kung every night yun, or it's just that may birthday nung friend nung mayari. So they may karaoke din at night. May namapanood kami mga nag-team building, mini conference, parang gano'n na outdoor. So you can also do that here. Yes, but it's not exclusive. Yes, you just have to find a spot where you can conduct those activities. So yun. Ang kagandahan dito guys is malawak itong seashore nila. Diyan. Oh, diba? Pwede kayo magtakbo-takbuhan. Kunwari, nagpe-prenup ka with your future husband. Gano'n. Ayun. Pero malawak siya guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, malawak siya. Ang kagandahan. So there's so many things that you can do. Kasi nga malawak siya. At saka tatag ng konti. Ayan. Diba? So pwede kayo magpatintero or other team building activities. So it's a good one. Yun. By the way guys, yung sa kubo, yung kinuha namin ng 1.8, good for 2 lang yon. However, 3 kasi kami, so pwede naman daw. Yun. Wala namang additional, no? Yes. And kasya naman kami. Like, yeah, we slept comfortably last night, so yun. And ano yung pina-add mo lang yung breakfast?
Yung towel, 100 pesos.
Yung breakfast. So yun guys. So yan, so that's Camp Avenue. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recommendations and for you guys to see more resorts and cafes that you may visit here in the north. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Goodbye guys. Say goodbye. Feel na